hello lang. Tapos tapat na. Pero, ano ka yung pinagbibigyan niya ng favor? Hindi ko na meron sa kamag-anak dito. Hindi kaya kamag-anak ni Gaya.
Speaking of, napanood mo yung interview? Yung kanina ni Arkin. Gusto na yung kaya.
Oh my God! Sino yan?
Interview? Wait, eto, panoorin natin.
So, Arkin, what's the real deal between you and Rhea? I'm sure a lot of your fans are curious.
Well, I can say that our relationship is very special to me and to her as well. We're really good partners and we work well together.
So, are you guys
Why am I here? Who are you? You'll never know. Where did Woody go?
Nice to meet you.
Wenda! What? What?
Salamat, Larkin, ha. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. Sige, iwan ko muna kayo.
Woody's
Hindi,
missing.
ikaw muna bahala, ah.
Woody's missing.
Salamat.
What? Yeah, right? I think I'm gonna do something else.
Umami na kayo, di ba?
Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Ding, 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 stop!
Ngayon ako. Check lang natin tapos. Sir Arkin, excuse me po ah. Sige.